Hey y'all, this video will be about keikis and specifically how and when to remove one from the mother plant. A keiki is an identical clone created asexually by an orchid and occurs when enough growth hormone has accumulated along one of the plant nodes. Sometimes keiki development may be a sign that the mother plant is under stress. You'll notice some unhealthy roots later on in this video, and that may have played into the development of this particular set of keikis. I allow the keiki to establish a good root system and leaf system before removing them from the mother plant. More specifically, you may want to let the keiki roots and leaves grow to about 1 to 3 inches long. I'll link a video above on how to repot an orchid. Enjoy!